science students, it's Mrs. Whitney coming to you again from my kitchen table here. I'm going to just show you the setup for the lab for this week. It's called Mixing Hot and Cold Water, and I'll show you the things that I'm going to be using to do our lab and collect our data. So as you might expect from the name, I have two different temperatures of water in this measuring cup. I have some hot water, it's at 145 degrees. In this smaller mug, I have some cold water. This cold water happens to be at 40 degrees. And what I'm not showing you is off to the side, I also have some room temperature water, and room temperature at my house is some water at 68 degrees. So I have water at three different temperatures here. My hot at 145, my cold at 40, and then my room temperature at 68 degrees. I'm going to be using graduated cylinders to combine the two different amounts of hot and cold water together. And the device that I'm going to use to hold the water is called a calorimeter, and I have made a very simple one here out of two coffee cups. I have a foam cup on the outside and then a smaller one on the inside, and then underneath the lid here is where I'm going to put the two different amounts of water inside. I'm going to be adding them, swirling them to mix them up, and then I'll be taking temperatures with a device that you have used before in the lab. I have these thermometers that connect up to a Chromebook, or in this case my MacBook, and I will be using the thermometer and this straw to just take the temperature of the water mixture like that. So that's going to be my setup. I'm not going to show you every single experiment. I actually have 6 different experiments that I'm going to be doing with different amounts of hot and cold water, and I will show you the results in our next screencast. Talk to you soon.